Let's explore how to create custom AI content for your website. First, choose any collection, page, or product on your website where you want to create your AI content. On the right side, you'll see an empty AI recommendation card. Let's add a title for it. Next, pick an AI avatar that suits your brand's style and voice to deliver your message. Now decide whether you want to create video content or audio-only content. Let's go with video for now. Write what you want your avatar to say. If you need help, use the Write with AI feature. Just describe what you need, and it will generate engaging content for you. Once you're happy with the text, you can proceed to generate it. If you'd like to recommend a product as well, then first go to Choose here. Select the product you want to feature, and then click Generate. You can also preview the content you created.
Introducing our Amber Glow Scoop Neck Top, a stunning blend of ivory and warm hues that radiate elegance.
Need more content on the same page? Click the plus icon to add another AI recommendation card. You can rearrange the cards to change the sequence of your content. All your generated content is stored in the library. Access it anytime, even if you remove it from your current page. That's it. Creating engaging, custom content for your website is easy with Zeniva.